Hey folks, welcome back to Lotus Smoke and Gift Shop. We just got this new product in our store, swag gear, and I'm trying to open and see what's inside. As I open and see, you'll be seeing what's inside this box. This is an ultimate smoking accessory gear box. So let's get right into it. Let's start opening this box and let's see what we have inside. So let's open the box. There you go. Okay, that's nice. We have Rick and Morty style. We have some more other different types and different designs. This one is Rick and Morty, so it's perfect for any Rick and Morty fans out there. Let's open this box. The box is pretty good. It's plastic box. It's heavy. Has a handle. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Look at the design itself. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's open that one. Okay, foam, nice. So what do we have here? A rolling tray. Look at the graphic. It's pretty good. It's perfect. This is a rolling tray. You can use this to set up all your grass in here. Yep. And what do we have? We have a smell-proof bag. You can put your flower inside this bag. Swag gear. Okay, and we got some stickers and more stickers. Wow, this one's pretty cool. So 4 stickers. That's nice. Now let's dig in. What is this? Oh, they have a lock in here. You want to lock your box? So you can just lock this box, so it will be your private box. Nobody else will be able to open it. Okay, so 2 locks. Another one for each side, I guess. And this is a smell-proof bag. So this one absorbs odor, bacteria, harmful pollutants. So if you open this up and put this over here, it absorbs all the scent, so that your weed won't smell out from this box. This is perfect. Put this in, no smell anymore. It's pretty cool. And what is this? This is a blacked out jar. This one has a Rick and Morty too. Look at this, it's all blacked out. Nice. This jar is nice. You can put your flowers, your stuff in here. That's pretty cool. All blacked out, and it's heavy too. I don't think it's gonna break that easy. It's really nice, a jar. And finally, what we have here is a grinder, a metal grinder. Nice teeth. Look at this. Look at this. It's a 4-piece grinder. And just open it. Okay, you collect the flower here, and we have a space for the keef to get collected right here. Keef scraper too. It's pretty heavy. It's a metal grinder. Comes in a box. Nice. Everything you need for smoking gears. This is perfect accessory box. So all you need now is a lighter and a bong to get started. It's pretty cool. I like this. Okay, so if you want to check this out, check this box out. If you want to buy this, you can come by Lotus Smoke and Gift Shop here in San Pedro, and we'll give you a good price. If you want to buy it online, we haven't updated it on the online because we just received this product, but we will be shortly updating it on the online store too. But if you want to buy it right away, you can comment down, I want to buy it, and we'll always fix you out with something. It's pretty good.